Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify YouTube channel analytics in Studio for SEO step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube website. Log into your YouTube account by entering your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio dashboard, locate the left-hand menu. Click on Analytics to access your channel's performance data. To dive deeper into specific analytics, explore the different tabs available. Start with the Overview tab to get a summary of your channel's performance. Next, click on the Reach tab to analyze how viewers are finding your videos. Examine the Traffic Source Types section to identify which channels drive the most traffic. Proceed to the Engagement tab to understand how viewers interact with your content. Here, you can evaluate watch time and the average view duration for your videos. Now, visit the Audience tab to learn more about your viewers. Check demographics, such as age, gender, and geographic location. Utilize this information to tailor your content for specific audience segments. Return to the Overview tab to see your top videos by views. Pay attention to the performance of your latest uploads for immediate feedback. Make note of the keywords and topics that generate the most interest. Using this data, refine your video titles, descriptions, and tags for better SEO. Regularly check your analytics to track changes and trends over time. Stay informed about what resonates with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.